between each station is what I was classifying as rich, whether low or moderate. The average joint spacing here is slightly less than 20 feet. We had 26 joints in the 500-foot section. That's probably due to the metric units at which they specify spacings and so on. When we initially located the place for the section, we wanted to get out of any influence of that, or out of any of that rehabilitation going on back behind us. However, moving forward from it, we also moved on to a 48-inch diameter pipe which was running under the pavement that wasn't indicated in that location on the plans, so we had to back it up some. That's why you see some different pavement markings here on the shoulder. We wind up ending the section about 25 or 30 feet or so upstream from that culvert, which I'll show up ahead. See, we've got a slight vertical curve, but we pretty well follow the natural ground as far as staying with a uniform cut. However, it's a uniform deep cut. The profile shown was at the center line also, and it looks like that the outside lane here is acting pretty similar to the center line profile with respect to the original ground. Or I should say the original ground is following the natural profile as shown on the plans here in this lane. As you can see, or as you probably could have seen as we were moving along here in the other lanes, though, that we get into somewhat of a fill section and we're in and out of cut and fill over there. Which is one reason we didn't choose that direction, along with problems with the traffic volumes that they had going into San Juan in the mornings. We do have some faulting on this section, but it doesn't exceed 4/10 of an inch in any location, and therefore it's classified as a low severity. See the crew over there. 4% on some of them. Francisco Pantoja with the hard hat on. Some of the other folks with the Highway Authority. There's Matty Cotterman, his assistant. He's done an excellent job. Swing around here and show this culvert. Yeah, I noticed this as I was walking down, marking the section initially. Saw the concrete channel down here and went and checked, and sure enough, it's flowing off in the direction going underneath the roadway, just kind of following along like this, along the line I'm showing. Therefore, we decided we needed to back up the section to avoid that. Okay, I'm going to stop it, and we're going to move forward and show the material which came out of the borehole. See about how far they went down before they encountered rock.